5-kilometre walk. So when we went to the shipwreck, we ended up walking to the end of the beach. So I'm just coming around the other end because it's so windy now. But Nick has decided to go try and bring the boat in a little bit because it's still out pretty far and we want to be able to go sit on it for a little while. But not sure if it's going to be too shallow to bring in or if it'll be okay. But yeah, so we walked all the way to the end of the beach. It's going to be windy now. Yeah, so we walked all the way down and all the way around, and I think we got to like about over here, like at this bit, and then we sat on a log for a little bit, watched, there was a few eagles, and we came all the way back. And now Nick is over here on the boat, bringing the anchor in. I'm gonna try and make it come a bit closer because we're gonna leave on high tide as well. So the tide last night came all the way up to here, and today at lunch it came to here, and we're all the way out there. So we want to bring it in a little bit closer to about here, so then we can leave around mid-morning tomorrow without being stuck or having to swim for a mile out there. I'm just watching Nick bring the boat in, in through the little peephole that we've got through here. And you can see he's just brought it in a fair bit closer, but I think it's struggling to come in any closer now because it goes like shallow, deep, shallow, deep, shallow, deep.
What's this bag?
It's a sea and then
What is it?
she sells seashells by the seashore.
It's an anemone. She's lost the plot. Going to a shrimp. She's losing it.
What's that?
Ah! Mussel or something, yeah. Bloody Bendy Owen over here. Right.
So we're gonna put the drone up into the sky and hopefully we can see some of this sunset. Last night it was like bubblegum fairy floss. It was such a nice evening and it was reflecting on like the little tidal pools that are going on in here. But we're ready for takeoff and it's still a bit windy, so this will be interesting. Nick's ready with his outfit for the cold.
We're lying there on the bed above the sheets. No one's saying a word, but I can feel your heartbeat. I stare into your eyes and you into mine, lying perfectly still, like we are frozen in time. I don't want this to be over, don't want the morning to come. My head upon your shoulder, wishing that you would say, I think you should stay, I think you should stay. I want you to say that it's getting late. I want you to stay, I want you to stay. We were young.
We've decided to have an early-ish dinner.
Yeah, we're having an early dinner. We're
Like-
having steak and what else are we having?
Veggies and some lamb kebabs.
Yeah, it'll be good.
Yeah, it's like 10 to 6. We never usually eat dinner this early.
It's so good compared to yesterday. That we're not, like this time yesterday, we were running up and down the beach trying to put our stuff on it.
Doing an afternoon workout, but yeah, you can kind of see. I just hit you. You can kind of see like the sunset through the trees. It's a bit hard to see, but it was so nice. It was such a nice sunset.
Yeah, it's pretty nice.
I still think last night was nicer, but it was still. We are just about ready to eat. Nick has finished cooking the barbecue. So we've got some steak and veggies, lamb kebabs, Looks so good. Smells so good. If only you guys could smell. But it smells so good. Are you hungry?
Yeah, I'm sorry. I cooked 6 kebabs for myself.
The steak looks so good. Thanks for cooking.
And we're ready to eat.
Nick has 2 plates. He has so much food. A bug just flew in my ear. He's got lamb kebabs, asparagus, broccolini, corn, and a steak. Are you hungry?
A little bit.
A little bit? So I can hear a noise and Nick's like, what are you looking at? What are you looking at? And he goes, there's no animals here. We're on Peel Island, which is deserted because of the leprosy disease that used to be here. And what comes down, Nick? A wallaby just came down and it's over here somewhere. I don't know where it's gone. I can hear it.
Just chilling.
Where is he? Through the trees somewhere. I don't know if you can see him, but he's huge. Good morning, guys. We're just at Peel Island on our last day. We're gonna do a little circ out with no equipment, using some sticks as markers. Nick is just on the phone to the Marine Wildlife RSPCA because there was some deceased turtles up on the shoreline and we just wanted to notify them about it and see if they could put them in a better place than the shoreline.
Life was dull until you came. I was breathless when we first met. Couldn't keep my hands away.
Good morning, guys. We have just packed up our camp.
It was actually really easy. I am cooking breakfast. There's hot water just cooling down because we let it boil to like 100 degrees. It's so hot. And now I'm just heating up the pan.
Beck's just making bacon and eggs. We just took down the tent. The swag's over there. That was pretty easy actually. I thought it'd be pretty hard. But it was all good.
There's no wind. It's such a nice morning.
It's perfect.
Like look at it, looks so
Look
nice.
at the boat. It's so nice. The weather's so nice. There's no wind. Look at the boat. And the tide's just coming in. There's a pelican down here. The little girl's playing with her. Him or her. So nice here at the moment. Beck's cooking her last egg. We're just eating breakfast. We've packed everything up, as you can see. It's all over there, ready to go. I'm just waiting for the tide to come up a bit more. There's a little bit to go. It says 2.5 hours till top of the tide, but I think we can get out a little bit lower than that.
We're just eating, and Nick's got his crispy bacon, how he likes it. It's a beautiful day. Do you have any tips to come away camping with no power, no water, no facilities, no nothing?
Definitely the barbecue is key, I think.
Yeah, that was a really good option.
It's pretty diverse.
Thanks, Josh.
Yeah, thanks, Josh. That gazebo was good.
It was actually
Like, for
really
how-
easy to put up. Like, we
Yeah.
got here in the dark,
Yeah.
and it was so windy, and Nick was doing the boat, and I put the gazebo up. We put the top bit up together, but the side bits I did.
Yeah.
And it was actually pretty easy, considering the wind.
Yeah, it wasn't too bad. What else? A good table, some good sand, like good pegs for the wind.
Especially sand,
Yeah.
because the normal pegs don't go into sand. They
What
do,
else?
but they move.
Lots of water. Something to keep your food cold. It's probably a big thing. Like we put ice. Like I don't know if I'd do that again.
We don't really have an option.
Yeah. Anyway, keep your food cold.
So the boat has started to rock. Does that mean we can get out?
Yeah, I mean, I took a photo of the sand flat when the tide was out, so I could see the way to get out. So I think if we head like sort of that way, like northeast, we can get out a small channel. But the tide's coming in fast, so by the time we pack it,
We'll be all good to go.
and clean up. So Hey guys, we're on our way home from Peel Island. We hope you enjoyed the video.
If you did, make sure you like it and don't forget to subscribe down below.
See you next time.
Again.